The skincare industry has sold us a lie. We spend billions on expensive creams and serums, yet chronic skin issues and premature aging continue to rise. The truth? Up to 80% of visible skin aging is caused by environmental factors, not genetics. True skin health begins from within. Your skin faces an unprecedented assault from modern environmental threats: UV radiation, air pollution, heavy metal toxins, EMF exposure, blue light from screens, and oxidative stress all attack your skin at the cellular level. They break down collagen, damage DNA, and trigger chronic inflammation that no topical product can fix. One of the most profound discoveries in dermatology is the gut-skin axis. When your gut microbiome is imbalanced or your intestinal barrier is compromised, known as leaky gut, the effects show up directly on your face. Chronic inflammation from the gut manifests as acne, rosacea, eczema, and accelerated aging. To achieve lasting youthful radiance, you need the three-pillar environmental skin defense system. First, detoxify by removing heavy metals and healing gut dysfunction. Second, nourish by providing the amino acids and collagen needed for cellular renewal. And third, protect by shielding your skin from modern environmental threats. Our 12-week action plan provides a step-by-step roadmap to transformation. By systematically detoxifying your body, rebuilding your cellular structure, and establishing a daily protective shield, you can reverse environmental damage and restore your skin's natural vitality from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to read our complete guide to environmental skin defense today.